Ito yung Harmony Park eh, no? Dark, walang lights yung Harmony Park eh, oh. Oh, wait lang, i-picturean ko. 1. Diyan, pasok tayo dyan pala. Ito na ba yun? Oh, ito na yata. Oh, sige, go. Okay tayo dyan ng Harmony Park na ba ito eh? Oh, Harmony Park na nga. Okay, what is here? Go inside mo din. Okay na yung tower. Ah, ito yung mga skateboard sila. Skating sila mo din. This is on the video, I see. Ito yung skating ito eh. Skating ito eh.
Because you need a board.
Rollerblade, rollerboard, yeah.
You
Oh, meron din dito mo din.
start here and you do this right here. You know, on the rail like this.
Oh, ganon.
You go right here and jump right there.
Oh, Jay, try go here mo din.
Ang skate. Pero may ano dito eh.
Oh, dyan daw, dyan sa balance. Oh, try mo daw sa balance, mag-up.
Tapos,
Sige, try mo nga.
pang skate ito eh.
Oh, pero pwede man yan sa ano.
Pang skate ito eh.
Pwede rin ikaw eh. Try mo daw.